Hey YouTube family, sorry for the loudness in the background, but that's the fan going. I've been moving around so I'm hot, so the air is not even working for me right now. I really just need to sit down for a minute. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you that the DIY that I'm getting ready to try to do. And I ain't gonna say try, I'm getting ready to attempt to do, because it will be done and I think it's going to turn out nice. But anyways, I got a couple of projects. I said I was just gonna go through the house and find stuff and just spray. So I just wanted to share. Hope everybody is having a great day. The cabinet open over there, didn't mean to do that. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day. Happy Tuesday. So let me flip this camera over and show you. Y'all can remember when I purchased this acrylic knife set with Marco Ahmed. Yeah, and so you know the base is black. I'm going to keep the base black. What I'm going to do is spray the handles white. I was going to order me a new knife set, but I'm going to see what this is going to look like when I'm done. And hopefully, you know, when I tape them all up, the handles turn out the way I want them to turn out. Just to keep them over, I'm ordering another one. I don't care about the base. I'm going to leave that like it is because I don't want to mess up the plastic. So, all right. And then next, I'm undecided on which vase. This is the smaller one. You know, I have the large one also. So I'm just undecided if I'm going to spray this small one gold and leave the other one white, or if I want to spray the small one black and spray the large one gold. I'm undecided, but I don't think I'm going to keep them white anymore. And then I even thought about keeping the large one white and just spraying this one gold or black. So I don't know, but I got different spray paints sitting out here. That's the black matte. You see it's by Rust-Oleum with the primer already in it. And I have the white for my knives. And then I have this gold right here. It's kind of like champagne gold. But I don't know if I want to go with metallic gold if I do spray the bases. So I don't know. I might spray it gold to see what it looks like first, and then if it don't, I can always go over it with another color. So, okay, just wanted to share it with you. There's my tape. I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I'm getting ready to attempt to get this started. This is what I'm using right here, Ultra Matte. And it's white. Just bleed it right here. So I'm getting ready to start it. I'm using an Ultra Matte, but I could have used the shiny white because that's what all of my other decor in the kitchen is, the shiny white. The only reason why I'm using the matte white is because that's what it looked like the black was already on the knives. So far I'm liking it, and if they turn out right with those gold knives, it will really be nice. So I'll show you when I'm all finished.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you.
Okay, so this is the first coat of the white spray paint. And I think I'm gonna add another one once this dries up a little bit. I'll probably add it in about 30, 45 minutes. Add another coat. And then tomorrow, you know, we'll get the finished look. But so far it's looking good. So it's quite a few ladies that had the same knife set and using the same color theme as the black and gold, the white and gold. And you can do the same thing. Instead of having the black knives, you'll still get that, but you'll have a good effect with the that you want to match, which is the white with the gold blades. So we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Good night. Okay, this is the next DIY project. Y'all remember I purchased this vase and then the larger one from the at-home store. And so I'm gonna spray this one. I'm gonna try it out with the gold, and if I don't like the gold, then I'm gonna spray it black. So we get started with the gold. I started before I can even pick the camera up to tell you. So there's the gold. See what it looks like. And this is like a champagne gold that I'm using. I'm just gonna spray one side, and if I like it, then I'll keep going. And then if not, I'll just spray black over it. So it's not bad, but we'll see. I know I won't go wrong with using black, but we'll see. Okay, YouTube family. So I'm just wanted to show you that just starting to put my knives back into my knife block, and this was my DIY project, y'all, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. So what I'm getting ready to do right now, though, is I didn't put all the knives in yet. I just wanted to see what it looked like, and I'm loving it. So you will see them all in there once I redecorate on my countertops and everything. I got just a few pieces that I hauled a while ago and that I wanted to put into, put on the counters. And so this will be full. The knife block will be totally full. But what I'm getting ready to do is take them out, and I'm going to take them and put them all back in the styrofoam, and I'm going to seal them with some Mod Podge so that the paint don't come off. But I am loving this look. I am. And I'm so glad that I did not purchase another knife block. Now I got what I wanted, the white knife handles with the gold knives, the gold blades. So y'all try this out now. Try it out. Tell me what y'all think in the comments, because I don't know what's going on, but I ain't getting, some of my people not coming back and saying nothing to me. They're not commenting, they're not watching. But this right here, anyways, if you're into the glam look and everything, and like I said, some of the women that I watch, we have the same knife block. And, if you're looking for a different color, I don't care if it's red, blue, purple, try this DIY method. I think you will love it. It's so easy. So I did get a little bit of spray paint on the gold, but I just used the SOS pad. And I use the ones that they don't, what is the name of those pads? Oh, they are SOS pads. But they're the ones that I use right here. And so what I did was just put a little bit of Dawn soap on there, and then that paint, it came right off. No scratches or anything. So, all right, be back. Okay, YouTube family. So I just wanted to share with you the finished product of me spray painting my acrylic knife set. And I think they turned out beautiful. And so what I think I'm going to do, because I had sprayed them, and when I sprayed them, it's like I put another coat on them, and then it's like, okay, I brought them in so I can wash off just the little bit of spray paint that had got on the gold. And so I said, I need to find a way to seal this, because when they go in the dishwater and stuff like that. And so I didn't have any spray Mod Podge. I used the kind that's in the container, and I brushed it on. So I don't know if the spray might be a little bit thinner and a little bit better to use on this if you try it. But what I do think that I'm going to do now with this knife set is just use this for decorations. Just put it back over here in the corner where I had it at before I sprayed it. And I think I'm just going to use it for decorations. And then, I had all kind of knife sets and stuff like that. But I always give that stuff to my kids and whoever wanted. Some stuff I keep, some stuff I just, if they ask for it, I let them take it. And so, but these right here in particular, I probably just use for decorations, just so the paint and stuff don't come off of them. And then I'll just buy me a few knives of the main knives that I use for, you know, when I need to use them to cook and stuff like that. But overall, I like that look. So, okay, as I was saying, my girl Tangie over at Tangie's Home Decor and DIYs, Tangie Webb, she just did a video with the Amazon things that she purchased from Amazon and Amazon must-haves. And, you know, this is one of the things that she showed, a must-have, you know, because she has different things and that she has purchased over the years from Amazon and everything, and what she's using now. And she talked about the acrylic knife set, and I was just like her. I like the knife sets, but they only came in the colors. The blades were the colors that we want from the black and the gold, but we didn't want the black handles. That's what I'm trying to say. Didn't want the black handles, but wanted the gold blades. The ones that had the white handles were the rose gold, and we are using the, you know, more like the 10 karat, 14 karat gold instead of the rose gold. And so Tangie, if you watch this video, I did this DIY, and listen, that's for me and you and anybody else, any other women that that's looking for the same look. That's how I got it. And now I got my acrylic base with my knives with the white handles. So y'all, I hope that this inspires someone to, you know, we use spray paint all the time anyways, y'all. I know I do. But I hope it inspires somebody that, you know, something that you buy in the store and it's not the color that you want. Just buy it or get it. And if it's something old, spray it another color. You know, make some use of it, you know. But as for these knives and everything, like I say, if you see them and you like them and it's not the color that you want, they don't have the color that you want, just go ahead and DIY your own to get the color that you're looking for. All right, so once again, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. We would love to have you here. And to my existing subscribers, please like, share, and leave a comment. And as always, I thank you all for all of your love and support. And y'all, listen, I know I don't have this camera turned towards me. I don't. And I don't think I have it turned towards me through this whole video. And this video has been, I've been recording little pieces for 3 days. But I got some stuff from Amazon that I ordered on Amazon Prime Day also. So I'll be doing a video to share those things with you pretty soon. And I don't know why they look for my plug covers. I used to have, not at this house. I've been in this house for years now. But our other house, I had the mirrored plug covers and light covers all throughout the house. And so I don't know if I want to go back. Yeah, I think I better go back mirror in the kitchen anyways, because the backsplash that I'm going with now is going to be mirrored. So I probably have to go with mirror for that. Yeah, because black is not going to go good on top of there. So yeah, that's what I'll do. But anyways, before I get to talking too much and tell you too much of what I'm going to be doing, let me close this video out. All right, y'all. Have a great day.